After having rehabbed its image for quite some time, the Bureau of Customs is back in the spotlight and in the crosshairs of the Department of Budget and Management for all the wrong reasons. As one of the bureaucracy's worst performers last year in its disbursement and utilization of its annual allocation, reports are rife anew of corruption in the agency. Plus, its online app that computes duties and taxes of imported goods needs a big fix, as our Harley Valbuena reports.
The Bureau of Customs, or BOC, is in the midst of fixing its online tax calculator, whose functions were temporarily suspended after actress Bella Padilla complained about the alleged overcharging of tax on her imported shipment. According to Padilla, her shipment with a value of 11,000 pesos was charged a tax of 4,600 pesos instead of 1,650 pesos based on the tax calculator of the BOC. Customs Commissioner Ariel Nepomuceno explained certain items were not computed by the online tax calculator, even as it struggles with its language features. This also does not indicate fees from third-party couriers and shippers. The Customs Chief therefore admits that deficiencies in the calculating app will cause confusion on the public. The BOC is upgrading its online tax calculator with the latest version and is scheduled for relaunch next week.
Dapat maging mas user-friendly. Ibig sabihin, yung itsura, yung pindutin dyan, ay maging mas madali maunawaan po upang maingganyo sila na gamitin talaga yan.
Meanwhile, after getting an unsatisfactory rating in the 2024 Agency Performance Review of the Department of Budget and Management, the BOC vows to improve their services through full automation of their system to regain public trust. It also insists having had no lapses in tax collection, noting they were able to surpass target collection last July. The Customs Chief also confirmed receiving reports from ports outside Metro Manila on some individuals posing as BOC officials to extort money in exchange for discounts on large shipments. Nepomuceno said the extorted amount ranges from 5 to 10 million pesos. The BOC chief warned that he himself will lead operations against unscrupulous individuals who he assured will face cases and imprisonment.
Kapag yan ay may entrap namin, ako mismo sa tama upang mapusasan po natin yung ganyang practice. Dahil kabilin-bilin na po sa atin, yung Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ay good governance.
The BOC also reminds the public not to give in to any solicitation scheme and to just pay the appropriate taxes on their shipments. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.